Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can make a invoice for your company. So if you have any company, so you don't know how to make an invoice, or you don't have the physical invoice to make your customer happy, so now I am going to show you how you can make an online invoice using some tricks. So firstly you need to go to Google, then search here Odo. Okay, then go to this website odo.com. Then this type of a interface will open. Now click on apps. Then in the finance option you will see an option called invoicing. Click on invoicing. Okay, then click on start now. It's free. Okay, so now all you need to do, you need to sign up to Odo invoicing. So firstly give your name. For example, my name is Mike Hassan and my email address is this one. Then company name, my company name is okay. Then mobile number is not mandatory field. In Bangladesh I'm gonna company size is I have 5 to 20 employees, and primary interest is use it in my company. Okay, so now click on start now. Okay, so your sign up has been completed, so you have been welcomed into Odo website. So the one platform you will ever need to transform all your activities, so it will take some time, so be patient. So this is your dashboard, so click on invoicing, then click on customer, then click on invoices. Okay, so we're gonna make a new invoice for our company, so click on new. Okay, so for example this is the invoice number, so I'm gonna make it my invoice number LWS 34567. For example this is my invoice number. So then the customer name, for example my customer name is Kumar Dharmasena. Okay, then invoice date is today, so click on today's date. Then due date is I'm gonna make it the end of this month. Okay, then payment terms, I'll make it immediate payment. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the product. So for example the first product is LCD monitor. So what create LCD monitor, so he bought 20 pieces of LCD monitor from me. The prices, so each of the monitor has price of 15,000. okay, so 10% taxes as well. So I'm gonna add another product. So if we take mouse, then quantity, 10 pieces of mouse, so 700 of each mouse. So I'm gonna add another product here. So the product is Logitech keyboard. He bought 6 Logitech keyboard from me. Each of the price is 1700, not 17,000. So these are the total. Then in each product has 10% tax. So if you want to delete the tax, you can delete the taxes as well. So if you want to add any terms and conditions, so I am gonna add in terms and condition. This is the receipt. You have to provide while receiving the products from our company. So this is my message for. So customer name is missing, Kumar Dharmasen. Okay, create and edit. So 7 close. You can add the number of the customer as well. The logo, you can add a logo here as well. For example, I'm gonna add this logo. Then I'm gonna add a mobile number of that customer. Phone, mobile, email as well. kumar@dharma.com. Then you can country Sri Lanka. Tax ID, you can add the tax ID as well. So I'm gonna save this. Okay, so now our invoices has been done. Now you need to click on confirm. Okay, your invoice has been created successfully. Now you have to click on preview. Okay, this is the invoice. So now I'm gonna download the invoice. Okay, so now the invoice has been downloaded. Now I'm gonna open it. So this is the invoices. So here is the I didn't add the logo of my company. You can add your company's logo as well. So this is the invoice we made. As you can see, this is the taxes as well. They added the taxes as well. So this is the invoice. This is how you can make an online invoice for your company. You can edit the invoice as well by going to that page. Customer, this is the invoice. So individual, company. So these are the invoices. Customer, invoices. Click on here. So this is the. So once you make the invoice, you cannot edit the invoice as well. So I hope this video help your company to make an invoice for your customer, and it will make your tasks easier than before. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel.